For over 50 years, Montana Silversmiths has been leading by design, creating authentic Western jewelry, accessories, and championship buckles. Distinctive designs became a foundation for the brand to manufacture a full range of jewelry and accessories. Today, Montana Silversmiths offers jewelry including necklaces, earrings, rings, bracelets, bolo ties, belt buckles, and silver accessories. Montana Silversmiths products aren't just designed, they're expertly crafted. Starting with an artist's sketch, each piece can pass through as many as 26 caring sets of hands. Montana Armor, a protective coating, is applied as the finishing touch, extending the life of every item. Attention to detail and unwavering quality standards are what sets the brand apart. Montana Silversmiths stands behind workmanship with a limited lifetime warranty on all products. Montana Silversmiths pieces are emotional ties that connect people to products. Beautiful and durable, the products are functional enough to be worn in everyday life or dressed up for special occasions. Often presented as meaningful gifts to celebrate memorable moments. More than accessories, they are stories. Stories of craftsmanship and Western heritage, but also stories shaped by the people who wear them. Each item is a lasting symbol of craftsmanship and commitment to quality.